Welcome to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to install the visual-based voice conversion web UI new version. Okay, we will get started. Now this is the new version of the visual-based voice conversion. You install by this command git clone and clone it to the desktop. Paste. Okay. Now it's success to cloning. Okay, step 1, CD into the visual-based voice conversion. Step 2, create the conda environment in rvc-env and Python version 3.9. Okay, enter. Okay, we will select Y. Now we will use this command conda activate rvc-env. Step 3, we will use this command pip install the trash. Okay, and paste and enter. In this process, it's really long time to use long time. I will skip to the finish install. Alright, we will download the trash or Python package. Success. We will install the Pro 3 and to install all dependency. Alright, latest version is 1.6.1. It's already, we will skip this, but if you don't have this in your system, you will use and install that by this Pro install, but I installed yesterday. Okay. Next we will use pip install -r for NVIDIA, but if you use AMD, you will use this next command. Okay. Next. Use the long time. I will skip to the success install requirements. Okay, our package in view comment.txt is success to install. Now we will download model to asset and pre-train from this collab. Okay, download to the 12 model recommended. Okay, we'll click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, we will download all package to or recommend all package for pre-train directory in UVR, and we will download for UVR from this one. Two. In the version we don't download this and this because it's already for use. Alright, we will waiting, but in this process it's very long time to download all package. I will skip to success download next time. See you later.
Alright, the model from this website I downloaded is success to download. Next we will copy from the download directory. Yeah, from this, copy this. Okay, alright, we will copy this into the pre-train. Alright, copy, drag and drop, success, and drag and drop this into this directory. Okay, it's success. Next we will copy to model into this directory. Okay, it's success. Next we will test the system. Okay, use this command Python 3 infer web.py. Now we will test the system. Everything is okay, not have the error. I have the 4 dataset for training my own voice model. Okay. The web UI is launched. Next, here this is a web UI. It look great. Yes, I know it's really beautiful than the old version. Okay, we will test this system by this drag and drop for dataset directory in this true-based voice conversion. No. Control C to back and Control C and paste. Alright, it's success, and I will test by this directory and this dataset and go to this and into the train folder. And now we will rename this into the Rvc _test 40k true version 1 and enter the path of a training folder. Yes, and we will click data and see in the terminal. Okay, everything is success, and we will check in this and go and select the model. Okay, everything is success. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow I will teach how to use that. Goodbye.